Hello and welcome to World 5 Best's video on top 5 best action cameras in 2023. In this video, we've researched and compiled a list of the 5 best action cameras of 2023 for you. Whether you're into skydiving, surfing, or just want to capture your daily adventures, we've got you covered. We've considered factors such as video quality, durability, battery life, and ease of use to come up with this list. In the description below, you'll find links to each of these top-rated action cameras, so be sure to check them out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's jump right into it. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3. The Osmo Action 3 can shoot 4K HDR video with a 10-bit color depth that captures over 1 billion colors, giving you vivid and natural details even in high-contrast scenarios. Plus, with its Horizon Steady feature, you can capture smooth and ultra-level footage even if you're skiing, skydiving, or biking on bumpy terrain. This camera is also built to endure any adventure with a 160-minute max battery life and resistance to temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're planning on using it underwater, the Osmo Action 3 is waterproof down to 16 meters without requiring any additional accessories. The design is also a standout feature. The Osmo Action 3 has dual touchscreens with a hydrophobic coating that lets you vlog, take selfies, adjust parameters, and enjoy crystal-clear playback even with wet hands. Plus, its innovative and effortless quick-release mounting design lets you securely mount the camera on all your favorite gear, even vertically, in just seconds. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is an incredible camera for any adventure and vlogging enthusiast. It's packed with features that make it easy to capture high-quality footage in any scenario, and its durable design means you can take it anywhere. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10. The Hero 10 Black comes in a sleek black color, which makes it stand out. It has a 1.88-inch screen that lets you easily frame your shots. With wireless connectivity and micro SD flash memory, you can easily transfer your files. The camera's 5x optical zoom and CMOS photo sensor technology are perfect for capturing action-packed moments. The Hero 10 Black is powered by the revolutionary GP2 engine that ensures snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. This camera captures high-res photos and videos, with upgraded 23MP photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, and 8 times slow-mo at 2.7K. It also has a hypersmooth 4.0 feature that ensures your footage is always stable and straight, even in low-light conditions. The Hero 10 Black has jaw-dropping 5.3K video with 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p. The camera captures finer detail, more realistic textures, and better contrast than any Hero camera before it, even in low light. Plus, a new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover repels water and helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. The Hero 10 Black makes transferring your photos and videos from your camera to your phone super easy and super fast. You can choose between effortless wireless upload via the Quick app or a lightning-fast wired connection via USB. There's also unlimited cloud storage with hassle-free auto-upload. Just plug in your camera when connected to your home Wi-Fi, and the camera does the rest. Overall, the Hero 10 Black is an amazing action camera that's perfect for capturing your adventures. With its advanced features, you can shoot and create content like a pro. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2. This camera is designed to fit perfectly in the palm of your hand, with a lightweight and compact design that makes it easy to take with you anywhere you go. It's perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments and creating content on the fly. One of the standout features of the DJI Pocket 2 is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization technology. This means that the camera stays steady even when you're on the move, making it easy to capture smooth video and crisp photos, even in low-light environments. The upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor captures images with a 64MP photo and 4K video, while the sweeping 20mm f/1.8 lens provides a wide, vivid cinematic look. Plus, the 4 microphones and DJI Matrix Stereo offer sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrack, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. If you love taking selfies, the DJI Pocket 2 also features glamour effects, which boasts a 93 degrees angle view, allowing for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. Finally, the AI editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content, making editing a breeze. In conclusion, the DJI Pocket 2 is an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators who want to capture high-quality video and photo content on the go. Its compact design, motorized stabilization, and advanced audio and editing features make it a must-have for anyone looking to take their content creation to the next level. Number 2. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. This camera is perfect for anyone who loves adventure and wants to capture their experiences in stunning detail. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition comes with a 4K boost lens and a 5.7K 360 lens, which means you get 2 cameras in one. You can switch between the lenses to get the perfect shot, whether you want to capture an action-packed moment in wide angle or a unique perspective in 360. The camera is also equipped with flow state stabilization, which delivers buttery smooth image stabilization no matter which lens you use. Plus, the 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos, and vibrant HDR action videos will leave you speechless. But that's not all. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition also comes with an invisible selfie stick, which means you can capture drone-like footage and third-person perspectives without ruining the view with an ugly selfie stick. In conclusion, if you're someone who loves to explore, be creative, and capture life's unforgettable moments in stunning detail, then the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is the camera for you. Number 1. GoPro HERO11. The HERO11 Black is designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to take with you on the go. It features a 1.9-inch screen and USB connectivity, allowing you to easily transfer your files and data to your computer. One of the standout features of the HERO11 Black is its revolutionary new image sensor, which captures an expansive field of view, giving you an extra-large canvas for your creativity. With 5.3K video, 91% more resolution than 4K, and 665% more than 1080p, the HERO11 Black captures your action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. You can also record 2.7K 240 video that can be played back in 8x slow-mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. The HERO11 Black's Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth stabilization system is one of the best in the market. Hypersmooth 5.0 raises the bar even more with horizon lock, improved stabilization for 4:3 aspect ratio footage thanks to the new image sensor, and auto boost for maximum stabilization with minimal image cropping. In addition to being waterproof, the HERO11 Black can also be used for live streaming and as a webcam for video calls and online meetings. Overall, the GoPro HERO11 Black is an amazing action camera that delivers stunning image and video quality, unbeatable stabilization, and versatile connectivity options. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or surfing, the HERO11 Black is the perfect camera to capture your adventures. Thank you for watching our video on the 5 best action cameras of 2023. We hope this information was helpful in choosing the perfect camera for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. We'll be back with more exciting content soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.